Hello guys, welcome to C Learning with new video. In this video we will learn about multi-area OSPF v3 in IPv6. In our last video we learned about OSPF v3, how we run a protocol OSPF v3 in IPv6. When we use IPv6 address, we need routing protocol as well. So we use a special routing protocol OSPF v3 version 3 for IPv6. So in this video we see how we use OSPF v3 in multiple area, like if we have area 0, area 1 here and area 2 here, so all the other area connect to backbone area, which is area 0. It is necessary to connect all the area to backbone area 0. So when we use multiple area in OSPF v3, so how we do the configuration and how it behave in IPv6, the multi-area OSPF v3. So in this video we see the configuration of OSPF v3. So let's do it quickly. So let's begin our configuration. So first of all, we give the IP address to PCs. So I just copy here and give the IP address, IPv6 address. It's 2 and 64 and gateway will be 1. Okay, now we will apply here as well. We will give here we have 6.1, 6.2 and 6:1, and we have 64 here, 64 here. Okay, now we give the configuration in routers. So first of all we complete layer 3, then we run a routing protocol. So let's see, in our previous video I have told all the configuration of OSPF v3. So first of all we have to enable IPv6. So must watch my previous video OSPF v3, then you will quickly understand the OSPF v3 in multi area. Now we go in interface gigabit 0/0/0, which is this interface. Sorry, this interface is 0/1, and we give the IP address IPv6 enable in interface, and then IPv6 address. Okay, IPv6 address, it would be 1. Sorry, 64 would be subnet network address. Now we go in interface G001, G00, which is this interface, above interface, and we enable IPv6. Now IPv6 address would be 2:1. We will add 1 here and 2 here, so 1 is here, 64. Okay, now OSPF complete here, layer 3. Now we go here, this interface system view. First of all we go in system view, we enable IPv6 in router, and then we go in interface 0/0/0 on this interface, and IPv6 enable in interface IPv6 address, which is 2001 and 2:2, because 1 was here, :, and :2 will be here, and 64 is mask. Now we go in above interface 1, which is 1 IPv6 enable, and IPv6 address would be 1:3 : 3:2. We'll add 2 here and 1 here, so 64. Now we go in above interface in this router system view, IPv6 interface gigabit ethernet 0/0/1, IPv6 enable. We will do IPv6 enable here in this interface, and IPv6 address would be 2001 3:1, because we give 2 here and :1 here. You can see here :3, and in this router 5 :1. And now we go in second interface, which is 0/0/0, IPv6 enable. Now we will give IPv6 address. It would be 1 4:1 and 64. Okay, now we go in this interface in this router and go in system view, IPv6 enable, IPv6, sorry, only IPv6. Now we go in interface, gigabit ethernet 0/0/1 IPv6 enable. IPv6 address would be 1 4:2 and we give 1 here and we give 2 here, 64. Now we go in second interface 0/0/0, which is this interface, and give 5.2 IPv6 enable. IPv6 address would be 2001 5 sorry :2 and 64 4. Now we go in this interface in this router and go in this interface system view IPv6 interface gigabit ethernet 0/0/0 IPv6 enable. IPv6 address would be 2001 and 5:2 1 and 64. And now we go in second interface, which is 1, and give the gateway address IPv6 enable. IPv6 address would be 6:1 and 64 would be subnet mask. So you can see here this is the 66.1 and gateway 64. Let's try to ping 1 6:1. Okay, this gateway is reachable. Now ping its gateway as well. Ping so you can see here it's reachable. Now we apply routing protocol. If we ping this interface, it will not be reachable because it is we are not using routing protocol, and in this area, from one area to another area, we need routing protocol and multi-area OSPF. So let's see how we apply routing protocol in multi-area OSPFv3. So now we apply routing protocol in router. So see carefully, let's how we give the routing protocol OSPFv3. Now we go in system view, and first of all we have to give the OSPF, enable the OSPFv3 1, and then in this we have to give the router ID 1.1.1 because it's router 1. So we'll give the router ID according to router name 1.1. Now come out, sorry, quit. Now go in interface this interface gigabit 0/0/1 and make this interface a part of that area. So we give OSPFv3 1 and area is 1. Okay, so we make this interface as a part of area 1. Now we go in above interface as well, sorry, quit 0. We also make this interface a part of OSPFv1 and area 0 because both are in area 1, sorry. So we will make this as a part of area 1. So now we go in this in this router and make this this interface G001 as a part of area 1 and this interface as a part of area 0. So they are both will be separate because this is ABR, area border router, and one interface of this router is in area 1 and other interface in area 2. So this is ABR. So here is a little different configuration. So just go system view. Now we create OSPF v3 1 and router ID. What is the router ID? 2.2.2.2 because router name is 2. Okay, now we go quit back and go in interface gigabit ethernet 0/0/0 and make this interface is a part of area 1. And now we go in second interface G001 above interface and make this as a part of area 0. So you can see here area 1 we make this as a part of area 0. Okay, now we go in this interface. The configuration is very simple OSPF-v3 configuration. Now we go in system view, we create OSPF-v3 1 and router ID would be, what is the name of router? 5.5.5.5. so now we go back interface gigabit ethernet. Both of the interface of this router are in area 0, so we make this as a part of area 0. OSPF-v3 1 area 0. Okay, now this interface as well 001 and 002, so I make this 001 as a part of area 0, this one, and also make this one 1. Okay, now we go in this router. Do it carefully because in ABR there is a little different configuration. System view OSPF-v3 1, sorry, OSPF-v3 1, router ID, which router is this? 3.3.3.3. and now we go back in interface gigabit. The above interface G001 is part of area 0, so 001 is part of OSPF-v3 OSPF-v3 1 and area 0, and this interface G000 is a part of area 1, sorry, area 2, because this is the area 2, so this is the part of area 2. Now we go in this router. Router ID is router name is 4.4.4.4, sorry, 4, and quit back interface gigabit 0/0/0. both are the part of OSPF-v3 1 and area 2. Okay, the below interface G001 also the part of area 2. so let's see how it behave. We done the OSPF-v3 configuration, so let's see this router is reachable, this PC is reachable through this area to this area. Let's see. So ping 1001 6 :1, sorry, 1, it will be reachable. You can see here the ping is reachable because from here to here they exchange their router through area 0. area 1 router also exchange the route in area 0, and area 2 also exchange the route through area 0, so both are reachable. So let's ping this router 1:1. so now you can see here they are reachable. So if you want to check the routing table, so you can check display OSPF-v3 routing table. You can see here the routing table. These address are coming 4, 5, 6. All the network are present in this router. This 1:1:2:3:, which is this network 1:2:, are present in this routing table, this router's routing table. So that's how OSPF-v3 work and they exchange their route. So that's all for today's video. If you have any question, so you can ask in comment. In our very next video we will learn about virtual link in OSPF-v3, like if we have all the area in OSPF should connect to area 0. If this area 1 is connect to area 0, but this area 2 is connect to area 1, so area 1 and area 0 will be able to communicate with each other, but not area 2, because area 2 is beyond the area 1. So all the areas should connect to area 0. So in this case, if this case happen, area 2 connect to area 1 and then area 0, so we need virtual link from area 2 to area 0 to do the communication. So in our next video we learn about virtual link in OSPF v3. So thank you very much.